Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Motorola. Firstly, you need to access Settings and scroll all the way down. Now select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, you need to click on Theme over here and click on Show More. This way you can see all available ones. When you're ready, just tap on the best one for you. Click on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and tap on Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up, and this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Now tap on Done, click on the switcher next to keyboarders and finally select Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!